In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create global sections with Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted a design element to stay perfectly consistent across multiple pages, like a banner, a footer, or a recurring call to action, global sections are exactly what you need. They let you create a section once and reuse it site-wide while keeping everything in sync. Update it in one place, and the change appears everywhere that section is used. Start on your site and design the section you want to set as global. This could be a promotional strip, a pricing highlight, or a newsletter sign-up area. Anything you plan to repeat. Take a moment to dial in the layout, spacing, and typography so it matches your brand. Make sure your content is structured clearly, your buttons have the right states, and your section looks good across breakpoints. The key is to get it exactly how you want it before you make it global, because that will save you time later. Once your section looks right, select it. You can click directly on the section in the canvas to highlight it. When it's selected, you'll see a contextual toolbar or options appear related to that selection. Look for the three dots icon, often labeled as More Actions. This is where Wix Studio groups extra options that affect the selected element. Click the three dots, then choose Set as Global. Confirm that you're setting the section as global, so Wix Studio knows to convert this entire section into a reusable, synced component. That's it. There's no need to recreate it anywhere else. From this point on, that section is managed centrally. You'll now be able to see it in your Global Sections panel. This panel is where Wix Studio keeps your reusable sections organized so you can quickly access them whenever you're building or updating pages. Seeing it there confirms the section is officially global and ready to reuse. A couple of quick notes to help you work smarter with global sections. Because the section is global, any edits you make to it later will reflect everywhere it appears on your site. That's the real power here. Consistent design without repetitive changes. It also means you can maintain brand consistency with confidence and roll out updates faster when campaigns change. And that's all there is to it. You designed your section, selected it, used the three dots menu to set it as global, and verified it in the Global Sections panel. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective for keeping your site unified and easy to manage.